Omugyera gwa Rwizi nigwo gukuhereza abanyambarara amizi go kukoresa kandi abakugu nibagira ngu omugyera ogu niguteganizibwa munonga abantu abarikutimbamu omushenyi okuhingamu n'abarikunagiijura ebicupa bya plastic.
The mining activities in Rwizi. But again, from time to time, we pick the samples and analyze and ensure that our water resources are not impacted by those activities. But even the committee members are working there.
Ebi n'ebindi byagambwa mu rukiiko orumazire ebiro bibiri ahari Igongo Culture Center orw'abeebembezi 31 abatorinwe okurwa mu district 12 ezirikurabamu omugyera gwa Rwizi.
Ntabo baturihi nebishara hato kurebeka ngu batunga yebakweta alternative source nanga yotatkuze yotatwire mu kishara yo wakoraki ati cyo kore cyo kubanza cyo kureberaho ati abantu habo no kurangu umushara baturamo twaronda ba NGOs nanga bakahabuyambi batuyambaho abantu habo twabakwataraho.
Omuhezi wa komishona Ministry y'ebyobamizi hamwe n'ebyobuhangwa nagira ngu bari omu nteekateeka z'okuteekaho environmental crime court erafubire abarikushiisha ebyobuhangwa.
We look forward to our partners, the judiciary, to support us to ensure that we could be able to prosecute and address a lot of these environmental crimes that are happening. What are those crimes? Encroachment, I've told you, excessive pollution.
And for now, mining of sand is not going to be accepted in the buffer of any river and also within the rivers, because we've also seen that as a big problem where people are mining sand within the river.
Government na president kwemereza abufite umushenyi kabegiyemwe ahanshunga esitwara bisemuka kachiko kandi kureba abantu barikira gushisha aba bariyo no bagutimba bombagira mu bagutimba mu magana ko kungira kunga mwene cyo kijya kunshemeza enforcement yata hamani bikameka sure ngo mushenyi ebirore ko agamba ngo
abanyakakiiko aba hoona batererwa omuranga okutaho enkora y'okuheereza abantu endiijo myoga eyakubareetera entaasya baheza kubabinga omu bishara. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.